Okay guys, now I will explain the significant figures. Okay, for you to know the significant figures, you have to know the certain rules. The first one will be the all non-zeros digits in a measurement are significant. Like every number that is not a zero, it's significant. The second rule would be zeros that appear between other non-zero digits are always significant. Like zeros after like if you have a 1 and a 0, it's 10, that's significant. Zeros that appear in front of all the non-zero digits are called left-hand zeros. Left-hand zeros are never significant. The fourth rule would be zeros that appear after all non-zero digits are called right-hand zeros. Right-hand zeros in a number that lacks a decimal point are not significant. So if you put like a point and then a 0, it's not significant. Also, if you put a point and the left side is 0, it's not significant. The right-hand zeros in a number with a decimal point are significant. This is true whatever the zeros occur before or after the decimal point. Okay, now after you know these rules, you remember them. Now you have to know that when you have like here, you have five significant figures. So you cannot take out the 8 or the 5 or the 1/8 to make it 4 significant figures. So what you have to do is to round. So here, to round 58, it's 16. So you had to put to 4 sig figs. So it's 2. Also, when zeros are sandwiched, they are significant. So 208.6. That will be 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to make it 3 significant figures would be you have to round off again, but now if you put the 6, you will have again 4 significant. So you have to make 209. Why? Because the 6, you have to take out the 6, and to take out the 6 you have to round it. So you have to put here the 9 because this 6 went into 10, so this is 9 now. Then in this one you have to round off to 2 significant figures, which would be you have to round again, but now you have to put the zeros. You remember the rule of the left 0, it will be like this. The 0 it's at the right, so it's not significant, so you have only 2 sig figs. And the D, you have to put 3 significant figures. These zeros don't count, they are not significant because they are in between the point. So to put 3 significant figures, it doesn't matter if you put the zeros because they don't count. So you will put 0.0, and your 3 significant figures would be 9, 3, and 6. And in equation A, you have to put 2 significant figures. So the only thing you do is to round it again. So it doesn't matter if you put the 0.094, and that's how you round it, because 36 to 14, that's how you round it.